Hey everyone, it's your host here, and you know what time it is. It's mango time. That's right, today we're diving into some seriously juicy facts about the king of fruits, the one and only mango. We're talking history, we're talking crazy varieties, so grab a snack, kick back, and get ready for some mango madness. But before that, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fruity fun. Alright adventurers, let's embark on a juicy journey. Did you know that mangoes are the most widely consumed fruit in the world? That's right. Move over apples, bananas, and oranges, there's a new global favorite. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the sunny beaches of Rio, mangoes are a universal delight. And honestly, can you blame them? They're delicious. It's official, explorers, mangoes are conquering the globe, one juicy bite at a time. You know how some fruits, they only got like, what, 5, maybe 10 different types? Apples, oranges, bananas, pretty standard stuff, right? Well, mangoes ain't playing that game, my friends. They are in a league of their own. We're talking over 500 varieties. That's right, 500. Imagine walking into a mango wonderland. It's like the Baskin-Robbins of fruits, but instead of 31 flavors, you got enough to keep you guessing for years. We got the Alphonso, the Tommy Atkins, the Kent, the Hayden, and so many more. Each one has its own unique taste, texture, and aroma. Some are sweet, some are tangy, and some are a perfect mix of both. Point is, there's a mango out there for everyone, no matter how picky you think you are. So, next time you're at the market, why not try a new variety? You might just find your new favorite fruit. Now you might think you know what a mango looks like, right? You might picture that classic mango shape and color in your mind. Yellowish, kinda reddish, maybe a little green. That's what most people think of when they imagine a mango. Well, hold on to your hats, because mangoes are like the chameleons of the fruit world. Just like chameleons, they can surprise you with their variety. They come in all sorts of colors, from bright red to sunshine yellow, from deep green to fiery orange. And the best part? The color spectrum is just the beginning of their mystery. The color doesn't even tell you how it's gonna taste. You can't judge a mango by its skin. Some of the greenest mangoes are the sweetest, while some of the reddest ones can be a little tart. It's a delightful guessing game every time you pick one up. It's all part of the mango mystery, my friends. So, next time you see a mango, remember, it might just surprise you in the most delicious way. Alright, time for a little science lesson. Folks, today we're diving into the juicy world of mangoes and their fascinating family tree. Did you know that the mango is a member of the drupe family? That's right, it's got some pretty cool relatives. Now, before you go thinking that's some kind of secret society, let me break it down for you. A drupe is just a fancy word for fruit with a single large seed in the middle. Think peaches, cherries, plums, and of course our main man, the mango. They're all part of the drupe crew, keeping it real and keeping it juicy. These fruits share a common trait, a fleshy exterior surrounding a hard stone or pit inside. This pit houses the seed, which is the key to growing the next generation of these delicious fruits. So next time you bite into a mango, remember you're enjoying a piece of a larger, juicy family tradition. Mangoes are not just for eating fresh. You can make a variety of delicious dishes with mangoes. From smoothies and salads to desserts and chutneys, the possibilities are endless. Let's explore some of the most popular mango recipes that you can try at home. How about a refreshing mango salsa, creamy mango ice cream, or even a spicy mango curry? Mangoes bring a burst of flavor to any meal, making them a favorite for everyone. You can also make mango jam, tangy mango pickles, refreshing mango sorbet, and even mango cocktails. Mangoes are celebrated worldwide, and their versatility makes them perfect for any occasion. From kids to adults, everyone loves the sweet and tangy taste of mangoes. Please share your favorite mango recipes in the comments below. Yo, big shout out to India, the land of spices, Bollywood, and the world's biggest mango supplier. That's right, India produces more mangoes than any other country on the planet. They've been cultivating these golden beauties for centuries, and they've definitely got the magic touch. So, next time you're enjoying a juicy mango, take a moment to thank our friends in India for keeping the mango game strong. Hold up, did you know that mangoes have been cultivated for over 4,000 years? That's right, 4,000. That's older than the pyramids, older than the Roman Empire, older than your grandpa's jokes. These fruits have been around for a minute and they're not going anywhere. They've seen empires rise and fall, trends come and go, but through it all, the mango has remained a symbol of deliciousness and good times. Ever wonder where mangoes come from? Well, they don't just magically appear in the grocery store, my friend. They grow on trees, and not just any trees. We're talking massive mango trees that can reach up to 100 feet tall. That's like a 10-story building made of mangoes. Can you imagine climbing one of those bad boys for a snack? Talk about a workout. And the reward, juicy, delicious mangoes that are worth every bit of effort. So next time you bite into a mango, remember the journey it took to get to you. Alright, brace yourself, because this next fact is going to blow your mind. Mangoes are actually related to cashews and pistachios. Yep, you heard that right. They're all part of the same botanical family, which means they're like distant cousins. Who knew the mango family was so nutty? It's like a family reunion you actually want to go to, but instead of awkward small talk, you get to munch on tasty snacks. We've talked about different types of mangoes, the history of mangoes, but now it's time to talk about the marvel of nature, the colossal fruit that could feed an entire family. This giant mango, grown in the fertile lands of India, the heaviest mango ever recorded weighed a whopping 9.58 pounds. That's like the size of a small watermelon. Imagine the smoothie you could make with that thing. You'd be drinking mango for a week. Just think of all the delicious mango slices you could enjoy. Sharing it with friends would be a mango party to remember. Now that's a party worth talking about. So next time you bite into a mango, remember, somewhere out there, a giant mango is waiting to be discovered. That's a wrap, mango lovers. Hope you enjoyed those juicy mango tidbits to dazzle your friends. You're now certified mango experts, ready to spread the mango mania. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fruity fun facts. Drop a comment with your favorite mango variety, and let me know which other fruits you'd love to explore. Stay juicy and catch you later.